Stuck staring at agonizingly slow Steam download speeds on Windows? In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow Steam download speed. Start by opening your Steam client. Click on Steam in the very top left corner of the application window, then click on Settings to open the main configuration panel. In the new Settings window, look on the left panel and find the option for downloads. Click on it. This brings you to the download-specific configurations. Now locate the download region setting. The default is likely set to the city or country nearest to you. Do not just pick a nearby city. Choose a region that is geographically close but is known for hosting a major internet exchange point or is slightly further away but less congested. For example, if you are in Europe, try a major network hub like Frankfurt or Amsterdam instead of your closest region. If you are in the US, try a large network center like Dallas or Los Angeles. Select your strategically chosen new download region, and then click OK at the bottom. Steam will now prompt you to restart the client. Click the Restart Steam button, then open the Run dialog, hit the Windows key and the letter R simultaneously. Type in the command gpeditmsc and hit Enter. Click on Computer Configuration, then click on Windows Settings, then locate and click on Policy-Based Co-S. Now, right-click on Policy-Based Co-S in the right-hand empty space. Select the option Create New Policy. The new policy wizard appears. Name the policy something descriptive like Steam Download Priority under specified DSCP value. Enter the number 46. Click Next. On the next screen, this is where most users make a mistake. Select the option Only Applications with this executable name. In the text field, you must enter only the file name, not the full path. Type in the application name exactly as it is, steam.exe. This targets the Steam client regardless of its install location. Click Next. For protocol and port numbers, leave both set to the default option, which is any. We want this high priority to apply to all network connections Steam uses. Click Next. On the final screen, you will configure the throttle rate. Leave this setting at none or not specified. You want to prioritize the traffic, not limit its speed. Click Finish. That's it. Hit the like and subscribe button.